You can't lead a team well if your home is falling apart. The truth is, leadership doesn't start at the boardroom. It starts in the living room. I want to give you 5 tips, 5 ideas that Karen and I have implemented that have helped us so much in this area. You know, we talk a lot about growing companies, teams, revenue, but leadership that lasts begins with what people don't see. The way we treat our spouse, the tone we use with our kids, and how you handle stress when no one is watching. That's real leadership. Karen and I have learned, and sometimes the hard way, that our business cannot outgrow the health of our home. When we're united, everything flows better. So I want to give you these 5 simple things we do to protect that foundation and keep leadership strong at home. Number 1, we pray together daily. I was on a call with Dr. Chapman. This was a couple of years ago. And I asked Dr. Chapman, what is one thing we could do, just one thing to protect our marriage? He said, there's just one very simple thing. It doesn't cost you anything. It only takes a few moments. But if you do it daily, it'll improve everything. We pray together daily. Number 2, we make a very strong attempt to have these 2 hours where we have no phone. We want to get rid of phones for 2 hours every day, where we disconnect from our screens and we reconnect with each other. We have date night. At least twice a month we do a date night. Leadership requires intentional time together, laughing, eating food, having fun, just us. Number 4, our involvement in our church community. It's not just about faith. It's about accountability. It's about connection. It's about serving each other. You want to grow in your leadership at home. You want to build a safer, more vibrant home. I want to encourage you to find a church family that fits for you. Number 5, we speak life daily. We make it a goal to affirm each other in our very own love languages. So if you want to grow as a leader, it starts at home. Pick one of these habits. I want to encourage you to start this week. Remember, stability does not come from how fast you're growing or how much profit you have in any given season of the business. It comes from how firm your foundation is. I'm JC, and this has been your Minute with the Heights. Let's get with stability.